Welcome to our video series Quick Marketing and Business Tips, where we are giving you actionable advice, tips and recommendations to grow your business today. This is episode 33 and it's entitled Multimedia Marketing. So let's dive right in. In episode 26, we analyzed why building your own platform is essential to your business and why you should not depend on any other medium alone. And today I want to discuss marketing strategy. In the book No BS Guide to Direct Response Social Media Marketing by Dan Kennedy and Kim Walsh-Phillips, Dan says, "What I can tell you with ironclad certainty is that overdependence puts you in peril. The only secure strategy is a multimedia marketing strategy and a multi-channel sales strategy." Dan wants to emphasize that relying only on social media is a mistake that many brands make. Beyond your own platform, you should be leveraging the power of other media, and social media is just one of them. This is a golden rule. You should be broadcasting your messages using a combination of all the available media. Media such as search engines, organically through SEO and paid advertising, other websites and web properties, live chat, podcasts, videos, forums, networks, communities, emails and newsletters, direct mail, TV, newspaper, billboard, radio, mobile, press releases, influencers, sponsorships, events, conferences, and so much more. Not all these media will work for your business, so you need to check them out and choose the ones that produce the best results wisely. Why leveraging the power of all these media? Because your customers are using them and they are being exposed to advertisements on these mediums on a daily basis. Using a combination of media helps brands reach more customers and prospects, attract investors and joint venture partners, gain visibility and exposure. Single-channel marketing strategies and approaches belong to the past. If you want to gain a competitive advantage, become an authority brand, and thrive in the new era of the digital economy, you should adopt a multimedia marketing strategy alongside your own platform. That's it. Thanks for watching. And if you want to learn more about marketing a business, check out our private training workshops. Take care.